All right, beautiful people. So this week we're talking about decimals and percents, and today we're talking about how you write a decimal as a percent. So let's recall that in a place value chart, if you have a number that's like 3.62, okay, this first number is in the ones column. This number on the right-hand side of the decimal is in the 1/10ths column. And this number in the far right-hand side is in the 1/100ths column. So these numbers are very important to remember because this is how we write decimals as a percent. So let's start with an example. If I have the number 0.52, okay, this number is read out loud as 52, well, actually, let me write it as words. 52 100ths. Okay, 52 100ths, which means 52 out of 100. And guess what a percent is, you guys? A percent is a number out of 100. So 52 100ths, 0.52, is the same as 52%. Okay, so when you have a decimal, in order to write it as a percent, you're going to move the decimal point 2 points to the right because this is the 1/100ths column. You're going to move it over to the 1/100ths column, okay? All right, our key idea has to do with how to convert. Okay, our key idea is to write a decimal as a percent, multiply by 100, or move the decimal 2 spots to the right. So let's do another example. I'm going to use blue. 0.36, okay? Or in words, this is 36 100ths. Okay, and as a fraction, that's written as 36 out of 100. 36 hundredths. So 0.36 or 36 hundredths is the same as 36%. Okay, because remember, a percent is a number out of 100. Percent means out of 100. Okay, so then I'm going to recall that when I do this, I move the decimal 2 spots to the right, or I multiply by 100. Okay, so all we're using here place value. We're using the fact that a percent means out of 100, and we're using where the decimal has that place value of out of 100. Okay, let's try another one. Okay, 0.30. This is said out loud as 30 100ths. Or 30 hundredths. So this is 30 out of 100, which means 0.30 is the same as 30%. Okay, just like before, what we're doing is moving the decimal place. Okay, so what we've done is we've made that number become a whole number. Okay, this is exactly the opposite of how you write a percent as a decimal. Now we're writing a decimal as a percent. Okay, what questions do you have? All right, in the next video, we're going to do some that are a little trickier.